I've decided to purchase the abandoned AMG Mercedes. The plan for this car is to be a donor for Project Phoenix. The first wash happened after 13 years stay under the sun. Except the front left and rear right fenders, everything else was original factory paint. The body was mostly free from dents. The models located under the passenger floor were either flooded or swapped with incorrect ones from different car. The battery control module was missing, as well as the rear's SAM module. I've decided to replace the necessary modules in order to attempt starting the engine. The situation in the fuel tank turned out worse than expected. Everything inside was melted and corroded due to years of stagnant old fuel. After removing all the damaged components, cleaning the tank and installing new fuel pumps and floats, I've decided it was time to attempt to start the engine after 13 years. The airmatic rear suspension splitter was intentionally severed. After installing the new splitter and connecting a functioning airmatic computer, I successfully raised the chassis. What do you think? Should I use this car as parts for Project Phoenix, or I should attempt to restore both vehicles?